Hello family, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I come up with this hair growth oil that is going to help your edges, help you with breakage, and help your hair to grow to a fuller and thicker length. So if you are looking to grow your hair and you want to consider watching this video to the end, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. The first thing that I'm going to be using to come up with this oil is going to be my banana and clove that I did use to come up with my hairspray. You can check it on my channel. I have the hairspray that is made up from this. So after taking out the water, now I'm going to use the same peels and clove to add in another ingredients to come up with the oil. So the first thing that I'm going to be adding into my banana peels and cloves is going to be amla powder. And after adding in my amla powder, I'm now gonna go ahead to add in another powder, which is my chebe powder. After adding in all the powders, now I'm going to add in the oils that I'm going to be using to come up with this. So the first oil that I'm going to be adding into this is going to be my extra virgin olive oil. So after adding my extra virgin oil, I'm going to be adding in my castor oil. So I love me some castor oil into my mixtures. After adding in the castor oil, I went ahead now to add in my avocado oil. I have this on my channel how I did this is a cold pressed avocado oil that I did make. You can check that on my channel. So after adding in my avocado oil, now I'm going to go ahead now to add in my sunflower oil. So most of this not even most, all of this oil that I'm adding into this mixture are very good, especially for low porosity hair, because I do have a low porosity hair. So they are very good for low porosity hair. So now I'm going to mix everything together and leave it to stay for another 3 days. So after 3 days, I'm going to mix everything together thoroughly and leave it to stay for 3 days. And after 3 days, I'm going to come back and show you and continue with the procedure. So after leaving it to stay for 3 days, and now you can see how my mixture is looking, I'm not gonna go ahead and put everything into my blender. You can see it's looking brownish and nice like coffee, right? So I'm going to put everything into my blender and blend it to a paste. So after blending all my ingredients together, I'm not gonna go ahead to pour it into my pan, my saucepan, where I'm going to be cooking my ingredients. When cooking your ingredients, guys, you want to make sure you are cooking it on the lowest flame. So you don't want to cook it on medium or high. You want to cook it like low to the lowest, and cook it for like for 40 to 45 minutes. It actually took me 45 minutes for mine to be ready. And when you're cooking your ingredients, you want to stay beside it and stir it always. You don't just want to let it to cook. That way it's going to burn and it's not going to be good for your hair. When cooking your ingredients and you start to see the foam start popping on top, that way you know your ingredients are really infusing into the oil. So now you can take it out and let it cool down before you separate the oil. I let it cool down for 15 minutes, and now I'm going to strain the oil out. So I'm going to be using this my bowl and a strainer to take out the oil. So after using this to get out the oil, I decided to use my stocking cap that way, because I realized that I still have a little bit of oil into the pot. So using my stocking cap is going to help me to like really take out all the oil. So if you're using this or you're using a cheesecloth, make sure you don't press too hard. That way the pop is not going to seep through the stocking cap or your cheesecloth. So I'm going to press, but not too hard. You're going to see some of them is going to come out, but it's okay. Now I'm going to pour it into this my serving container. I love it because you have the lid, very easy to apply on my hair. So I'm going to be using this to massage my hair like every 3 days. That's how I use my oils to grow my hair. You want to consider using this to massage your hair every 3 days. Make sure you really apply it on your hair, your edges, and massage your hair. So I use it when I want to braid my hair. I apply it on my hair first before I braid my hair. So if you want to see great benefit from this, you want to make sure you're frequently applying this on your hair. That way you're going to see the difference. It's going to grow your hair. It's going to help you to fill out the bald spot and give you a fuller and thicker hair, guys. So I'm going to be coming out with a hair butter using this, so stay tuned on my channel. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and family, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.